Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'm going to do the FPS drop test in the Battlegrounds mobile game when the battery percentage is below 20%. So right now the battery percentage is kind of close to 16% as you can see guys. And let's do the FPS drop test and let's find out will it impact any kind of performance or FPS drop test results. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video when the battery percentage is pretty low. And right now I'm trying to use with the 4G data connection and the temperatures did increase slightly higher with the 4G data. So it's about 38 degrees Celsius. The temperatures are 38.4 degrees Celsius right now. Let's see guys, how is the overall FPS drop test gonna be there in the Battlegrounds mobile game in the POCO F7 device. So when the battery percentage is below 20%. And in case if you're watching this channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe and also don't forget to check out the playlist videos for the POCO F7 device. All the links will be available in the description below for the POCO F7. Do check the links in the description for more updates as well. So let's get started guys. So let's see how is overall FPS drop test using the 90 FPS. I'm trying to do the drop test and the battery percentage is below 20%. Let's observe how is the overall. So right now we did see like 87 and you can see the graph as well on the top. 84 is the lowest we have seen. So this is a FPS drop test when the battery percentage is below 20% in the POCO F7. And these are what the results are. So we're getting kind of stable 85, 86, 84 in terms of the overall performance wise, in terms of the maintaining FPS count. And these are the graph as you can see guys. So this is a quick drop test and let me do the one more drop test as well. Let me to go back to the menu and start again. So this is another drop test which I'm trying to do at this moment and let's find out the results, how it's gonna be there. And right now we're getting about 88 and the temperatures are definitely kind of increasing. It's kind of close to 37 at this moment. So right now the battery percentage is also kind of pretty low. It's kind of 14% only at this moment. Not bad. So here's another FPS drop test which I'm trying to do with the 90 FPS. Let's see what's happening here. So I'm getting like only 60 FPS I think, but the FPS will increase little by little. Now right now it become like 90. So this is the third time I'm trying to do the FPS drop test when the battery percentage is below 20%. Right now it did reach to 13% at this moment. So meanwhile, this is a quick demonstration guys regarding the FPS drop test in the POCO F7 device. So far I didn't see any kind of major drop in terms of the FPS in the POCO F7. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching this a quick demonstration below 20% of the battery. Still the phone was able to perform pretty good. I'll try to do the intense kind of testing as well. So I'll try to play a couple of minutes of the gameplay. Then I'll try to observe overall if there is any kind of FPS drops are happening or not. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned and bye.